Oh, brother. It's not the next day. It's not even the next week. It's a couple weeks later. You remember I did that one before? Well, I finished up that one too. And now I'm going to be working on this one and this one, getting this nasty old root out of here. I know that circles around and comes right underneath this, coming out probably like that, along here. And it's raised that up. And this one's raised up too. I'm gonna have to pull one of these out and maybe transplant that over in here or something. I don't know. I'll keep working on it. And off goes the radio. Oh man, look how big this root is. You see how big that is? It goes along there, and I dug it all the way up to there. Here's my landscape lighting wire. And I was only going to take 2 of these mowing strips out, but I had to take a third one out because here's some more. Here's some more right in here, and I can't get all of it until I chop some of this out and then refill some dirt, and then I'll transplant this over here, cut out some more stuff over here to get on over there. And I got my big loping shears. These things will cut just about anything, but not that. And so I've got to take my Sawzall, and I've got pretty sure this one's charged. I've got just a dull saw blade on here. That's it. Okay, let's come over here and see if I can't cut this. And speaking of these mowing strips, remember I told you these were pre-made and they went to the store and bought these? Well, I was wrong, because there was concrete edge all on this edge. And see how thick this one is here? It's got a big old mound of stuff here. They must have ran it out of a machine, and then every couple feet they chopped it off and started again. But man, they did a really good job with connecting all the joints, didn't they? You know, I mean, granted, this was 20 years ago, and so that's what they did. I've never really seen that. I've seen it when they've pooped it out in one long strip, but it makes sense to get the joints in there, and so that's how they did it. Okay, so I'm hoping to get this chopped out of here. And when I started this, you know, I just put my mind to it, and I thought, I don't care what I come up against. I'm getting it out. I'm getting all of this stuff out. So I knew there was going to be some roots in here. So each time I hit a root, I didn't really fret about it, because I knew I was going to be hitting it. So there you go. Okay, so let's just see. You got to be careful. There's a big root underneath there too, but I got to be careful not to hit my my wire here. I wasn't kidding when I said it was dull. Okay, I'm gonna just keep hacking at it. It is pretty dull. Maybe I've got another blade I could use, because pretty much it's just going through like wood. And I want to get, I usually save my dull blades or my short blades. See, this one's probably a little sharper, even though it's smaller. Let's just see. The end of it has been chopped off, so I don't know how well it's going to go, but I thought the dull blades would do it, but I guess not. So let's take my next dullest blade out. This one's a little bit sharper. What's happening is I'm right next to a Y, and I'll just have to whack this off this way now. Have to work it down, because see, I've got another one right down there. Okay. Whew. I think I got that. I thought it was bigger. I thought it was bigger than that. I've got one over here. Good Lord. Just keep going at it. Eventually you'll get it. Whew. Whew. Look at that. Okay. Now, you just keep the camera rolling right here. I don't want you to think there's any monkey business going on. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. That's how. Oh, you're kidding. My battery just died. Well, and I thought I had it charged, and I did have it charged a couple weeks ago, but then I didn't use it. So do lithium batteries hold charges after a couple weeks just sitting there? Apparently not. Whew. Well, I think this battery's kind of low too, but let's just see. Might have enough juice to cut through the rest of this. There. Look at that. go. There's one of my roots out of the way. And I'll just keep whacking at it.